Hydrous Wake Park is where people come to wakeboard using overhead cables to pull you instead of a boat. We asked Nick Sweda, a competitive wakeboarder, to tell us more.
I'm at Hydrous Wake Park. What I do is I put my shirt on and then I put my vest over it, and then I get my helmet on, I put my board on, and then whenever I'm on the mat, they'll tell me they're sending me, and then whenever they send me, I just go out there and ride. I like the quarter pipe out there, and I like the blue tube right there. So if you fall, you just take your board off and then you swim to the side. You just swim to the side and then you just walk back to the dock and then get back ready. The community here is like, the people here are just like really nice, and they just like, we come out here and we learn new tricks, and that's pretty much